So in this lecture, we will learn how to do the product research using a tool called Zik Analytics. Zik Analytics is a very powerful tool, and as much I know, almost all the eBay sellers that I know use this product research tool to find their products because it makes the job so easy, and there are tons of things you can do in the Zik Analytics as well. I will go through each and every section and how you can use it in your favor as well. If you want to subscribe to Zik Analytic tool, I will leave the link for that in the show notes. If you use that link and at the checkout, if you use the code ZEN50, you will get 50% off in the first month as well. So I will leave all the details of obviously discount code and the link that you can use to actually get the discount for the Zik Analytics inside the notes as well. But right here, we're going to actually learn how to do the product research in the Zik Analytics. So once you will log in, this is normally how the dashboard for the Zik Analytics look like. The first, we have a dashboard. We are already on a dashboard on the side. The second, we have a competitor research. I will go in a competitor research in a minute as well. The third one is a category research. Title builders. In a title builder, I will go in a title builder once we actually need to do our listing, because this tool help us to actually find a title which will bring more traffic and to get more sales as well. Next, we have a Zik Pro as well. I will go in a Zik Pro, and then my competitor, all the competitors that you can actually save right here, and then you can, by time to time you can check on them, will be here. This is, you can save the products and you can come back here later and you can find those products. All the tutorials and training are actually in the Zik Analytics as well, which is in a very, very extensive detail. Like, they have covered A to Z, but obviously I'm gonna cover the way I use it as well. But if you want to watch like a full training, you can they have actually the tutorials for free inside, which you can watch at the same time. The quick setting and then the management panel, and this is where you log out. That's the side bit of it. Normally when I use it, first I go to the quick setting. This is what you have to do as well. Select the location to United Kingdom. If you are doing, let's say you want to source your product from Alibaba, you will select Alibaba right here. But if you want to source your product from Amazon, you want to source your product from CJ Dropshipping, from AliExpress, from Walmart, this is what you will select. And what the Zik Analytics will do, it will actually find the product from that supplier if that product will be available with them as well. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I will select Alibaba because that's what we are doing in this one. But if you want to buy like a AliExpress, if you are doing a product like a drop shipping, you can select AliExpress as well. But once you will see where the link will come, you will get a better idea. For at the moment, we are just leaving it for Alibaba as well. So we will click on apply changes. That setting won't be done inside your Zik Analytics. So you will have to come first in a quick setting and you will do the settings first in order for you to actually get the analytics and everything. On the top of that, they have the list of 500 selling products, 500 items, which they will do. And then on the weekly basis, which products are doing really well. This is what you can find it right here as well. So this is what their recommendation, but what we will do, we will actually try to find the products by ourselves because that's what we are trying to use it as well. Okay, so first thing which I will do is I will show you how category research look like. So we will click on category research, and then the first thing you do is select your United Kingdom, your location right here. We want to only look at fixed price listing, no auctions, and only the brand new products. That way I will do right here. What the Zik Analytics have done, they have actually filter and scan all the categories. And this is where you can do your niche selection as well. In the beginning, the niche doesn't really matter, but the thing is, if you want to go into a specific niche, it will tell you what niche is actually better for you. So in the antiques, they will actually divide each and everything. This gives you a good option, good kind of first look at glance that what category is better for you as well. I don't really pay a lot of attention to this one, but it is very useful for making a decision if you are going in a particular category. Every category they have rated into some kind of star based on how much sale they are getting, all that kind of stuff as well. This is where you can select and look at that particular category at the same time. But I normally go into more like a product research as compared to, like, you know, just looking at the categories as well. In the beginning, as I said, the category doesn't matter. You should be selling anything you can make a profit on at the same time. So, but if you want to do, the option is there. That's why I show you. The second thing is the product research. We will go to the product research section. In the product research section, again, we have to do a couple of settings. I'm going to look at ebay.co.uk because this is where I want to sell my products, and then United Kingdom fixed price listing as well. And then also at the same time, I want a last 30 days sale, the maximum history that I can look for in this particular section as well. So we will select that setting. That will not be done in your case, so you will have to select that one. We will do the product research, let's say for the man watches, just to get a little bit idea if I can find the products which I can able to sell in the category man watches, as well as if there is a particular products in this category. So first of all, Zik Analytics will give you a quick kind of view. Is it have 100 top listing? It found 100 top listing, 3,399 of the products has been sold. This is the total revenue in this one. Average selling price is this one. 59% of that is a successful listing in this one, which is really, really good. On the top of that, what you want to see, it's within last 30 days, you want a sale to be very, very consistent. The sale right here have gone probably due to some kind of event or something like this, but normally overall the sale is consistent in this particular category as well, which is a really good sign. In the last video where I show you in the case of face masks, the sale was up and down, and then it's completely not really doing anything at this particular stage as well. What a lot of people do, and they make a mistake, is when it comes to the particular product, a lot of people, they just filter this one in terms of total sales, right? They will filter this one for the total sale and say, okay, this person right here have sold 5,163 of the product, and I will sell this particular product as well. But the problem is, if we will open this particular seller, let's say I'm gonna open this particular seller in a new category, what's gonna happen, I already have seen this seller, you can see right here, have 48,393 feedback already, and they have over 20,000 listing. So for me, when I'm starting something from zero feedback, or I have a less feedback, I think it's not really a good option to actually go and compete with this particular seller, even though this product is selling at the same time, this military watch. So what also the Zik Analytics do, you see this sign right here, Zik Analytics is saying this product is actually risky, the eBay might take a listing down. Why? Because of the word military, because sometimes there can be a problem, but this is not a big deal. It's not a Nike or something like this, but Zik Analytics also just kind of give you that, okay, there can be a little bit of a problem, but in my opinion, this won't be a big problem as well. So if we even look at the product as well, we can just take out the product and see right here, 4,783 of the product already has been sold. And then obviously this is a bigger seller. And because we selected Alibaba for our supplier, so what the Zik Analytic will do is actually take this picture right here for this watch, and then it will scan Alibaba at the same time, and I will open Alibaba, it will scan and try to find a similar listing from Alibaba as well. So what is happening right here, it found a supplier right here who is selling this watch, exactly the watch at the wholesale price. I think this is a little bit different. Let me see. No, I think it's the same one. So it's selling these kind of watches at the price of £1.17. This is the price, and this seller is selling for $5.99. This is not the product we are going for, because the profit margin is less, because the seller who is selling is also selling it at very expensive. So they have a lot of feedback as well. So the competing with this seller is going to be really, really hard. So I'm going to close this one, close this one, close this one, come back to Zik Analytics, close this one as well. What we are trying to do is I'm actually going to filter this one based on how much feedback they have, not at the base of how many item they have sold. So what I'm trying to do, I'm looking for new sellers who just recently probably joined the platform and have made some sales in last 30 days. So I filtered this one with the feedback, and then I will go down and down. A lot of people are not getting any sales as well, but I'm looking for this opportunity where I can find a seller who have a less feedback and have sold a couple of items in last few days as well. So we are looking, the Casio one we're not gonna sell, the military one we're not gonna touch as well. We are just keep coming down and down, and we are trying to kind of find a seller who have sold a couple of items in last couple of days as well. So this one, because this is, you know, the Armani one is definitely the fake one. We're not gonna sell that one because it's a risky product. We're looking for generic product which have been sold, and there is not a lot of risk at the same time as well. This watch right here, you can see they are selling it for $14.99 right here. 57 of them already has been sold, and seller just have 553 feedback. So I'm just going to open the seller just to verify if they are the seller. Yeah, so 553 feedback. This is like, as compared to the other seller, this is almost a new seller as well. So we like this one. So if they are selling a product which is sold in last 30 days and this product is proven to sell as well, we're gonna look at their product, what their product is, just to see. So this one right here, this is the watch. They're selling this watch for $14.99, and then 59 of them already has been sold. Obviously we will check our profit, all that kind of stuff as well. So first of all, let's calculate our break-even price. We will go to eBay and PayPal fee, which I mean, there is no PayPal, but if you just do eBay and PayPal fee calculator, that's when the calculator come up, and the link is always inside the notes as well. You just simply open eBay and PayPal fee calculator, and then what we're gonna do here is, first of all, the price they are selling it for $14.99. Shipping charge, they're offering free shipping, and if they will ship this product using even, let's say, the Hermes as well, if it might go in a large letter, but just to be on a safe side, I'm putting the small parcel. The watch might have a packing and all that kind of stuff as well. So what we are trying to do is just, we're gonna find our break-even price. So break-even price is £9.92 per this particular item. So which means the cheaper I can source this product than £9.92, this is going to be my profit at the end of the day. I have shown you the other criteria, that the seller does not have a lot of feedback, which means they are new seller as well. So the first of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna copy this seller as well. We are just trying to, I will show you another way as well at the same time. Just in case we are copying the product, just keep in mind I just copy the stored name of that particular seller. Let's find if we can find the supplier for this one. This is what I love about Zik Analytics, that rather than doing everything manually, you have all the analytics and all the supplier details at one spot as well. So I'm just gonna open the supplier. We open the supplier, and what Zik Analytics is telling me, that this is where they have found this particular watch as well. Let's open the supplier and see if everything matches up. So this is the one. I think this is the color. that they are having a good luck with that one. 7 other option as well. Let me see the right color for that. Okay, watch box is this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so what the color this seller have is black and red. I think that look really good. That's why this watch is selling a lot as well, which this supplier doesn't have. So what we will do is we will try to find some other supplier who might have the color that we are looking for at the same time. So we will go right here. This is black and white. This is the rose option as well. I think this is the black and red one right here that this supplier is selling at the same time, but the price for this supplier I think is a little bit expensive. So what we will do is we will try to look for some other supplier at the same time. Let's look for this supplier. So we got right here black and white, rose gold, black and red. So these suppliers does not have the right color that we are looking for. So what we will do, we will keep on looking. We're gonna find something. So if we keep on going down and down, something gonna match up for sure. Okay, this one right here. This is almost similar. So just open that one and then come right here, look for the red needles. We're looking for the red needle one. Okay, this is exactly the same item. You can see that one right here, that one right here, same needles and the same thing as well, the band. And let's have a look at the band for the suppliers. Yeah, same band. The picture, this one is look better, but this, I mean, it's the same item, but the quality of the picture is a little bit different. So what we are doing here now is we're not gonna order that many items. Just we gonna calculate as based on this one right here at the maximum price. One thing which I will obviously show you when we will explain more about the process, the buying from Alibaba, that these prices are negotiable, but at the moment we are just going for what we have right here as well. With the red needle one, let's say I just want to start with the 100 pieces maybe. If we go for 100 pieces with the shipping and with everything, this is going to be 241, but obviously we will need to add the custom duty and the VAT, which I will explain in the process once we are buying from Alibaba, how to calculate that as well into next lecture. Including everything, I'm hoping the price for this one is going to be 300 for 100 pieces as well, which means the landing cost of this product is going to be £3 once we will have this product shipped into the UK as well. So what we're gonna do is, now we know our item cost is £3, we will put the item cost £3 right here. After spending that, the profit margin that we're gonna make by selling this product is going to be £6.92. We can actually offer less price than this seller as well. So if I even sell this watch, let's say for $13.99, just to compete with this seller, not the same price as well, we're still gonna be making £6 profit. How many this seller already have been sold? They have sold 59 of them, 60 of them almost. So with 60 of them, this seller with the price of 6, they have made £360 profit by just selling one item, which is really good profit margin as compared to, like, you know, what do you call it, many other products as well. So which means this is a really good product, and then that's how you find a product as well. If you remember, I copied the name of this seller. So what we are going to do now, let me close all of that right here. You understood the process. Like, if we scan, if we filter that with the feedback, and then we we came down and we found the supplier right here who was offering the same item at the very cheaper price as well. So what we need to do, we like this seller, we gonna save a lot of our time. So the way I tell you, we're gonna go to competitor research. With the competitor research, I will paste the name of this seller. This is right here as well. So we're gonna see what this seller is selling, because this is a new seller, which I call it a spy method of researching the product using a Zik Analytics. You actually scan other seller and see what they are trying to sell. If they are new seller, so we can sell the same products as well. We can see what they are selling, what working for them, which they already have spent the money. They have proven these products sells because customers are buying. We can outprice them and we can, launch our product as well. So which means this seller have 202 listing and their success rate is about 80%, which is really, really good. I mean, as compared to like amount of, they had just started a platform. Their 30-day sale is crossing over 6,000, which means they have a good profit margin, which we seen from that particular product as well. So these are all the products that this seller is selling. What we're gonna do, we're gonna filter as compared to how many they have sold in total. We're looking for their maximum sale for the product. So okay, so something happened. Okay, another one, we found a product right here, which is a wristband. They're selling for the 62 of them already has been sold in total at the price of £14. So let's look at the listing just to verify. We're going to open that listing. This is what I call spy method. This is the one for £14, item length 24 centimeter. I think, is it the same price? Yeah, I think it's the same price for each and every one, £14 as well. 62 of them already has been sold. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna try to find the buying price for this one. The same method again, but what we are trying to repeat. We're gonna click on right here and the Zik Analytics will do its magic and try to find a similar product right here as well. Let's open this one because that looks like a good match at the same time. This product right here, and then what this seller is selling is this. Is exactly the same, even the same picture as well. We have found this one right here is 19 centimeter and 21 centimeter. We will go with 21 centimeter. Just I think the price is same here as well. With this one, let's start with the 100 of this. Just to give one example right here with another product, same process that we're going to repeat again with each and everything. Let's put the price up to 350. So because customs and all that kind of stuff, the shipping we already calculated the price 350 for this one with the customs and VAT as well. So what we're gonna do is, because we're buying 100, so £3.50 is going to be the buying price. Let's open our eBay and PayPal fee calculator. We open that one again. Okay, so let's calculate if we do that, how much profit we are going to make from this one. They are selling for £14. Let's go for 13. We want to beat them. You know what I mean? We want to beat in the terms of price. Because that's, like as I explained you, is the easiest way. Offering a free shipping as well. This one will easily go in a large letter because this is a small item. With packing and everything, I will put the price £1.50, 20 pence, just to, if the weight is over or if we need to include the packing, all that kind of stuff as well. 350 for 100 pieces, which means the buying price for one item for us is going to be £3.50. We calculate the profit each and everything. This seller is making also £6.34 from this listing as well. So let's go £6, and then what we will do is that how many they have sold of this one, 62 of them. Again, £360 profit from this particular item as well, which is again not bad. What we can keep on looking what this person is selling, and then we can try to find a supplier for that particular item. Obviously this looks like a used item. We're not gonna get in touch with this one. This watch is same that we look before as well. This necklace right here is doing really well for them. We look for that and then we repeat the same process. So this one is again man luxury watch right here. They are selling for $17.95. We can check into that one as well. Again, you found a seller. We then use a spy method and see what they are selling. At the end of the day, that always work in your favor, and then you can keep on repeating the process. We can always, I'm gonna go to summarize each and everything for this one. We done the setting, okay, then we looked at our product category just to kind of see what is working, what's not working. We done our product research based on man watches just to see how this is doing, if we can find the product as well, what everything is look like in that particular watch as well. We found, and then we used the competitor research in order for us to actually see what's going on. If I really like this seller, let's say I want to keep an eye on them in future as well, I will search. And then what I will do is actually just simply save this seller for the future reference as well. So I came right here and then I go back, and with the Zik Analytics, this history will stay right here, and I can just simply click on save in to watch list, and I can add a comments right here as well. New seller, good sales for watches. So we will give 4 stars and we will compete this one. All the fields required. Yeah, we done that already. We will save that one. I think due to some kind of error at the moment, it's not really saving. We will try again. Save competitor. Okay, that might have saved, we don't know. So this one, once we save it, we're just gonna come right here, and the competitor gonna show right here as well. Once we save, due to some error that wasn't really saving, but that won't be the case for you as well. Also, we can save the products as well. So if we think, okay, we need to save that product, and then we come back and do the further research on that one, we can just simply save that product. What was right here, it's gonna stay inside the history as well. But just to, if we was looking at that particular product, and if we need to save that product as well, we will just simply save that product. Which one was here? We go back, and then what we was looking for, let's filter with the feedback. Yes, we filter with the feedback and keep going down, and this was the product. Let's say we need to save this product in a Zik Analytics right here, and then we are right here as well. We can scan the seller, this one right here, and once we are looking at the product, we will just simply scan this product as well. So this is the one. When it scans it product, we just simply, where is the option, save this search, and then we can add a comment just for that, and then this search has been saved as well. So once we will open, let's say my product, then you see this unorganized folder with the products gonna show up right here as well, whatever we have saved in the terms of our product and the seller that we are trying to spy. So now you understood the two, like the kind of ways to use these folders just to have everything organized at the same time. Now the only thing which is left is a title builder. The title builder is something which is very helpful once we are trying to do the listing. So I will come back to Zik Analytics once we are trying to build a title. So by using the same method again and again, you find a product ideas, you put in a Zik Analytics, and then you verify how much profit they are making. If all the analytics and all the odds will make sense in our favor, then I will just simply buy that product from Alibaba, and when the product will come, I will just simply list it. And that's the way, you minimize the risk at the same time. That's normally the way you use the Zik Analytics.